Hey guys, Amal here from Digital Marketing Jamaica. Welcome to another video of mine, and today I'm going to show you how to create and sell websites and make some extra money. Alright, so we do all this in the Builderall platform. So I'm in my back office here. So today we're going to focus on the drag and drop pixel perfect builder. Alright, so I'm gonna enter right here. I'm gonna show you how simple it is to create a website, and a real top quality website at that, and sell it. Alright, so these are websites that I've created for persons and myself, but we're gonna go to new website, and if you notice right here, there are tutorials as well. So there's some detailed trainings on the platform that teaches you how to use all the tools that you have access to. Alright, so here in the new website creation, we see a lot of templates here. So for mattress sales, technology, visual, there are hundreds of templates. Alright, so we're gonna use let's say here we're gonna use fashion in here, for example. Alright, so we have 3 websites here for hairstyles. So let me view this template. Alright, so the template here, this is basically the link that I would send to my prospective client or customer. So what I do is I use Instagram or Facebook or persons I know within my community that have small businesses and they do not have a website. So I reach out to them, send them the template, and let them know, hey, I can definitely customize this with your logo, your shop name, all that. And they can add their prices if they want. They can add persons can schedule appointments, they can promote discounts, they can have galleries with previous work, they can run promotions, and it can all be tied back to their social media, like their Instagram, YouTube, etc. So this is a really good package right here. And normally if I'm doing this on Fiverr, because what I do is I create a profile on Fiverr, and I'm a web designer, and I use the templates here as my portfolio on Fiverr, because these are the templates that I will have access to help create the websites. So it makes sense I use a few of these as my portfolio. Alright, so when persons connect with me on Fiverr and they select the website that they want, I normally charge them $100 for the website. Alright, so basically if I prospect like 2 hours per day and get 1 client per day, I'm making an average about $500 per week. Alright, and that depends on how you prospect as well. So you definitely would make back your monthly, because it's $69 per month for Builderall. So if you sell 1 website, then you basically made back your money for the entire month. Alright, and that's not even taking into account that Builderall has an affiliate program as well, that when you share the tools with persons you know that might want the tools, you also earn 100% on the initial sale, and then every month that that person renews their membership, you get $20, and if they stay on for 3 months, you get an additional $15. So for every 3rd month, you would get $35. Alright, so that's a real powerful tool. Let's say you have 10 persons that you share the tools with, you would basically be earning $200 to $400 every month when they renew. Alright, and that's without creating any websites. But back to website creation right here. So this is the website. I'm going to show you how easy it would be if I was to edit this. And alright, so now it's loading the edit area where I could go ahead and change the name, change the pictures, change the background. You can customize everything in there. Alright, so now that it's loaded, this is basically our menu panel that we would use to edit. Alright, so we have the text here. If you click that, you can select the size of the text that you want to add. So let's say we click the H2 header so you can basically change up the font size, the height, everything. Alright, so everything is fully customizable. If you click the little plus, you can add a text box, you can add banners, you can add buttons. So basically, if you want a buy now button, register button, and you can also customize these buttons as well. Alright, so you can add thumbs up, everything. Alright, so let's go. There's a gallery, so if you want to show previous work that you did, you can definitely add that. You can add videos and audios. You can add animated counters. You can add a checkout. So if you have products, if you sell products, you can add a checkout that you can link to your PayPal or your Stripe or your credit card, so persons can pay you directly in your bank account, and then you just fill the order. Alright, so that's basically it. So let's say I wanted to change this to Tina's hairstyle, so I just basically double click and change that to Tina. Alright, and there you go, that's edited. And then there's a save button up here that you'd click to save it. Alright, and you can also purchase the domain inside Builderall as well, or you can still use GoDaddy or any other domain sites that you want. Alright, so and the hosting is done in Builderall, so you don't have to pay externally to host the websites. And on this platform you can host unlimited websites, so you're all set. Alright, and you can also create apps, mobile apps as well, and do it as a kind of package deal. I've done a few of those, and so you basically charge extra for the app, and people can purchase through the app. They can directly interact with their customers through the Android or Apple app. Alright, and so we have testimonials, and we could change the pictures, we could change the names. Like I'm saying, it's fully customizable. Alright, and that's how it is. So I'm gonna go to Instagram right now and show you how I would prospect. Alright, so I'll hit the search, and let's say I would do hair salon. Alright, so that's what comes up. So I would basically click them, and like if they already have a website, I wouldn't bother with that one, so I would click next and move on. And let's try this one. Alright, so this one has they do not have any website, so I would definitely message this person directly, because see, they only have 150 followers, so it could be that they're pretty new, or that they are not really using their social media. Alright, so you'd reach out to them, introduce yourself, let them know that you can send them a template showing them how their website would look. You would just change the name and the pictures based on the images that they provide, and they would have a fully functional website, depending on how fast you work, within a day or two. Alright, and you collect your money. So I normally collect 50% upfront, and then and I offer them like 3 reviews, because I also create a profile on Fiverr, and I post that I am a website builder. I already said that. So when they pay the $50 up front, then when the website is completed, they transfer the balance to my PayPal, and you can do that to whichever method that you want. Alright, so like I said, if you make $100, if you charge $100 per website and you build 1 website per day, that's $500 per week. I do know that a lot of my friends are working their butts off, and they're not earning $500 US per week. Alright, so this was a tutorial for the website. So remember, I'm gonna leave a link in the description where you can try out Builderall for free. I'm gonna leave the 7-day free trial. If you just want to get going and start, I'm gonna leave that link as well. Alright, so you can definitely feel free to comment, like, share, and subscribe, so I will keep putting out more content surrounding the Builderall platform and teach you new ways to make money. My aim here is to get you out of the 9 to 5, so you can work in your own time and basically have more time to do what you love. Alright, so remember, like, share, subscribe, and I'm out.